Your dog is scratching, your cat is miserable, and you have spent hundreds of dollars on flea treatments that simply do not work. What if I told you that the pet industry has been hiding a $4 solution from you for decades? A solution so powerful, so permanent, that major flea product companies have spent millions making sure you never hear about it. Today I am exposing the one ingredient that kills fleas completely, kills their eggs, kills their larvae, and makes sure they never come back. Not for a week, not for a month, forever. This is not a trick. This is not a gimmick. This is real science that they buried because it destroys their billion-dollar business. Watch until the very end, because the last tip I share will completely change how you think about flea control forever. Your pet's suffering is real. The constant scratching, the biting, the sleepless nights for both of you. You vacuum every single day, you wash every blanket, you bathe your pet with expensive flea shampoo, and 3 days later, the fleas are back. Back on your dog. Back on your sofa. Back in your carpet. You feel like you're losing your mind. And the worst part? You're spending a fortune trying to fix it. The average American pet owner spends between $200 and $600 every single year on flea treatments alone. Topical spot treatments cost $50 to $80 per box, and they only last a month. Flea collars cost $60 to $90, and half of them stop working after 6 weeks. Vet-prescribed flea pills cost $120 to $180 for a 3-month supply. And if your infestation gets bad enough, professional exterminators charge $300 to $800 per treatment session. And here is the part that should make your blood boil. None of these solutions kill flea eggs. None of them. Adult fleas represent only 5% of the total flea population in your home. The other 95% are eggs, larvae, and pupae hiding in your carpet, your furniture, your pet's bedding. Every single product they sell you targets adults only. So the cycle never ends. You kill the adults, the eggs hatch, new adults appear, you spend more money, the companies get richer, your pet keeps suffering. This is not incompetence. This is a business model. What I am about to show you goes back to the 1940s. During World War II, the United States military discovered the insect-killing power of fossilized algae. Yes, tiny prehistoric organisms that died millions of years ago and turned into powder. Scientists found that this powder destroyed the exoskeletons of insects on contact without using a single chemical. It was completely natural. It was completely safe for mammals. And it worked on every crawling insect known to exist. By the late 1960s, independent researchers were publishing studies showing this powder eliminated flea infestations permanently. Word started spreading. Farmers were using it on livestock. Pet owners were using it at home. Results were extraordinary. Then something changed. The major pet care corporations, companies that today earn over $4 billion annually from flea and tick products alone, began lobbying against it. They funded studies that confused the public. They worked with retailers to keep it off pet store shelves. They spent millions making sure vets were trained to recommend only chemical treatments. They succeeded. This ancient solution nearly disappeared from public knowledge. Only a small number of people kept using it quietly, passing the information from neighbor to neighbor, from form to form. They never stopped getting results. And now I am giving that knowledge to you, because you deserve to know. Only 1% of pet owners know this secret. Today you become part of that 1%. The product they buried is called Diatomaceous Earth, and it costs $4. Diatomaceous Earth. Write that down. Diatomaceous Earth. You can find it at garden centers, hardware stores, and online for between $2 and $5 per pound. That is less than the cost of 1 cup of coffee. Here is why it is so devastatingly effective against fleas. Diatomaceous Earth is made of the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms called diatoms. Under a microscope, the powder looks like shards of broken glass. To you and your pet, it feels like soft talcum powder. But to fleas, it is a death sentence. When a flea walks through diatomaceous earth, those microscopic sharp edges pierce through the flea's outer waxy shell. That waxy shell is what keeps the flea hydrated. Once it is compromised, the flea cannot retain moisture. It dehydrates completely. It dies within 12 to 72 hours. There is no chemical resistance possible. Fleas cannot evolve to survive dehydration. This is physical death, not chemical death. And here's the part that destroys the flea industry's business model forever. It kills eggs too. Larvae too. Any flea at any life stage that comes into contact with this powder dies. That 95% they never tell you about? Gone. The product that professional pest companies use costs $300 per treatment. The active principle behind it? The exact same mechanism. They just add fancy packaging and a chemical cocktail on top. You do not need any of that. You need $4 and 5 minutes. Food-grade diatomaceous earth is completely safe for your pets, your children, and you. It is even approved for use in organic farming. This is the weapon they tried to hide, and now you have it. First, go purchase food-grade diatomaceous earth. This is critically important. Make sure the label says food grade. There's a pool-grade version that is toxic to breathe, and you must never use that indoors. Food grade is the only type you need. You can find it at most garden centers or order it online. A 2-pound bag costs between $3 and $6 and will last you months. Before you begin, put on a dust mask. Even though food-grade diatomaceous earth is safe, any fine powder in large quantities is not good to inhale. Protect yourself. Open every window in the room you are treating. Now take your pet outside or to another room. You want them clear of the area while you apply the powder until it settles completely. Once settled, it is completely safe. But during application, you want everything calm and clear. Next, take a large spoon or a small scoop and begin applying the powder directly into your carpet. Work it into the fibers using a dry brush or the back of the spoon. Do not just sprinkle it on top. Work it deep into the carpet pile because that is where flea eggs and larvae live. Use approximately half a cup per medium-sized room. More is not better here. A thin, even coating is what you want. After the carpet, move to your furniture. Apply a light dusting along the base of your sofa, under cushions, and along the back where your pet rests. Work it gently into the fabric. Now treat your pet's sleeping area. If they have a bed, sprinkle and work in a light coating. If they sleep on a blanket, apply powder to the floor area beneath and around where the blanket sits. Next, treat the perimeter of every room. Run a thin line of powder along the baseboards and into any cracks or crevices in the floor. Fleas travel along walls. This creates a killing barrier they cannot cross. Now, leave the powder undisturbed for a minimum of 72 hours. This is the step most people rush, and it is the most important. The powder needs time to make contact with all stages of the flea life cycle. Do not vacuum. Do not wet the carpet. Do not let it get damp. After 72 hours, vacuum everything thoroughly. Empty the vacuum bag or canister directly outside immediately after. On the same day you treated your home, treat your pet directly. Apply a small amount of food-grade diatomaceous earth to your hands and work it gently into your pet's coat, avoiding the face and eyes. Concentrate on the neck, back, and the base of the tail where fleas congregate. Leave it on for 24 hours and then bathe your pet normally. Thousands of pet owners have made this switch and never looked back. People who spent years trapped in the cycle of expensive treatments and recurring infestations report that after one full diatomaceous earth treatment, their homes became flea-free within 1 week. Not reduced, not managed, gone. One viewer who owns 3 large dogs was spending $400 every single month on topical flea treatments, flea collars, and monthly vet visits for flea-related skin issues. After using this method, her flea problem was eliminated in 8 days. Her annual savings? Over $4,000. Before using this method, carpets are full of invisible eggs hatching in cycles that never end. After using this method, the entire life cycle is interrupted at every stage simultaneously. Adult fleas die on contact. Eggs dry out before they can hatch. Larvae never reach adulthood. The cycle breaks completely and permanently. Because diatomaceous earth works mechanically and not chemically, fleas can never build resistance to it. It will work exactly as effectively the 10,000th time as it does the first time. Results from a single thorough treatment last for months. A twice-yearly maintenance application keeps infestations from ever returning. That is a permanent solution for under $10 per year. The flea product industry does not want you to calculate that number, because when you do, you realize they have been taking your money for nothing. This knowledge is spreading and companies are already pushing back. Some retailers have been pressured to keep food-grade products buried in garden sections far from pet aisles. But you know now. You cannot unknow this. Share this with every pet owner you know right now. Hit that like button because it helps more people find this information before the algorithm buries it. Subscribe because next week I'm exposing another billion-dollar industry secret. This one involves a common kitchen ingredient that removes pet odors permanently, and the carpet cleaning industry absolutely does not want you to see it. Before you go, here's the final tip I promised. If you have a severe infestation, add 1 tablespoon of food-grade diatomaceous earth to your pet's food daily for 30 days. It eliminates internal parasites as well as external ones, and it is completely safe for consumption at food-grade quality. Vets charge $60 to $80 for deworming treatments that do the same thing. Your $4 bag just became a complete parasite elimination system. You're not powerless against this industry. You have the knowledge now. Use it. Your pet deserves to be comfortable. You deserve to keep your money. Go take your life back.